Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Maps on your Android device. Keeping Google Maps updated ensures you have the latest navigation features, traffic updates, and bug fixes. So let's get started. First, open up the Google Play Store on your phone. And once you are on Google Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the search bar at the top and type Google Maps. Once you find it in the search results, just tap on it. If there's an update available, you will see an update button. If you see Open instead, it means you already have the latest version. Once you tap Update, the Play Store will begin downloading and installing the latest version of Google Maps. This should only take a minute or two, depending on your internet connection. After the update finishes, you can tap Open to launch Google Maps with all the new features and improvements. And that's it, you have successfully updated Google Maps on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.